What's up? I'm back with another video. It's 6:30 in the morning right now. I'm going to Ponmudi basically. So it's been a long time since I rode somewhere. Ponmudi is about 50 kilometers from this point. This is a beautiful morning today. Looks so fresh and so clean. I like it. Let's go. I have Google Maps on because I have no idea about the roads and stuff. It's a pleasant morning today. Everything is green. I think it's been raining all night. I'm not sure about that because when I sleep, I sleep. Yeah, I don't open my eyes. Oh my god, that's a beautiful sunrise. God damn, this is going to be a hell of a day today. Oh yeah. To go to Ponmudi since a long time right now, and once when I came to Trivandrum, that was a part of my long ride. I had gone to Ponmudi and it was closed due to the coronavirus and lockdown and stuff like that, and I was sent back. Like, they were very rude. Let's see. I don't think it's closed right now. If it's closed, then I'm screwed. I'm gonna be pissed off if it's closed again. But I'm 99.9% sure that it's open. Card എടുക്കോ 300. ഓ ഒറ്റയ്ക്കേ ഉള്ളൂ. സിംഗിളാണ്. പൊന്മുടി എത്ര മണിക്ക് ഓപ്പൺ ആവും? ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് പോയിട്ട് വരും. തുറക്കുമല്ലേ? ഓ, പേര് ബാക്കിലുണ്ടല്ലോ, അതാണ് പേര്. SpilTrez എന്ന് പറയും. ഓക്കെ. Yeah, this is the path that I'm talking about. This is so beautiful. Riding through this kind of a forest. There's like a trail over there. As much as I want to take it, I'll get into trouble. So, no. Yeah, I think the guard section is about to begin. I just ruined my curve. This is so gorgeous. Just feels so peaceful. Temperature is dropping as I go up, which is expected, and I'm starting to see fog. Sun is right on my eye. I cannot see anything. Oh my god, that's too bright. You know what? I'm gonna stop there. It's kind of beautiful in here. Just look at this beauty. Oh, look at that. That's like way high up in there. Oh, what happened here? Yep, so I'll have to wait for another 30 minutes in here. God damn it. So I'm currently having some tea, enjoying the nature. Such a nice place. Look who's there. Okay, so I've not been here before. I've only come till the check post where I've got the entry ticket. Yeah, so this is my first time. So it must be really beautiful when it fogs in here, and that happens early morning before 7 o'clock, 7:30, and we cannot come here at that time because they don't let us in. And these days it fogs here at afternoon, which is weird, but then that's due to the rainfall. It's been raining here almost every single day at 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. I've had some friends come here at that time, so I could have come at that time, but then the only issue is it's going to be super hot at that time. Wearing all this riding gears and coming from my home to here will be a super hot journey, so that's the reason I didn't do it. Mornings are much better. Even though there's no fog, it's peaceful and beautiful. Oh, this is where the tree fell, I suppose. Yeah, this is where it happened. That's why the fire engine had come. Absolutely gorgeous in here. This is 13 of 22. We're getting closer and closer. This frame must be super good. You wanna see this? That's awesome. This is nice, and it's getting a bit hot right now, so better keep moving. Okay, let's move. think I have to pay here, if I'm not wrong. Do I? I don't know, not sure. Bro, are you kidding me? I have to walk all that way? The thing is, I'll have to carry this with me. It is going to be a pain in the ass. Hold on, I have this buckle. Hopefully I can put this to use. Put the scissors. Why is there a scissor in my tan bag? Okay, this is how you do it, right? Yep, that's how you do that. Oh wait, bro, I have so many shit in my backpack. I mean tank bag. Okay, hope I don't fall. That song just came into my mind. Holy hell. Whew. I'm not gonna go there. I can't walk, bro. Nah, that's it. Done. Bruh, why is it so beautiful in here? Damn. I mean, it is worth it. It's worth waking up 5 a.m. in the morning, wearing all this riding gears, coming to this place and sit like this. It's worth it. I'm sure I can get a super cool time lapse of this place. A day well spent, or rather a morning well spent. I don't know why people in here are so surprised when I say I ride solo. They're like, really? Solo? Ottakkano? Anda? I'm tired of listening to that. I don't know. What is the problem with solo? I don't get it. Apart from being alone, it's much peaceful, right? Like, you have your own freedom. You can stop wherever you need. You don't have to wait for anybody. So I hope you guys like this video. More travel vlogs to come. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.